Ireland Work Opportunities 2026. Imagine waking up to an email that could change your future forever. A job offer from Ireland, one of Europe's fastest growing economies where international workers are welcomed across technology, healthcare, engineering, construction, hospitality, logistics, and finance sectors with competitive salaries, career growth opportunities and a pathway to long-term residence. Ireland continues to attract skilled professionals from around the world. The question is not whether opportunities exist, but whether you are ready to seize them. Ireland currently has strong demand for software engineers, nurses, healthcare assistants, doctors, electricians, plumbers, construction workers, data analysts, accountants, financial professionals, engineers, truck drivers, chefs, and hospitality staff. Many of these occupations qualify for employment permits that allow non-EU nationals to work legally in the country. To apply for jobs in Ireland, you should first prepare a professional CV in the Irish format and create profiles on major job portals. Then search for employers offering visa sponsorship, submit applications directly to companies, attend online interviews, and secure a job offer. Once a job offer is received, the employer usually starts the employment permit process before you apply for a visa if required. The most common documents required include a valid passport, updated CV, educational certificates, professional qualifications, work experience letters, employment contract, job offer letter, passport size photographs, and any professional licenses relevant to your occupation. Some professions, such as healthcare, may require additional registration or certification before employment. Salary levels vary by profession and experience. Entry-level and general employment permit positions often start from approximately €36,605 per year, while many critical skills occupations require salaries of at least €40,904 annually. Highly skilled professionals in information technology, healthcare, engineering, and finance can earn between EUR 50,000 and EUR 100,000 or more depending on experience and role. Before applying, first prepare your passport and educational documents. Then update your CV and collect experience letters. Next, apply for jobs and attend interviews. After receiving a job offer, your employer applies for the employment permit. Once the employment permit is approved, apply for the Ireland work visa. Attend the visa appointment, submit documents, and wait for approval. After visa approval, arrange accommodation and travel to Ireland. A successful Ireland work visa application depends on having complete and organized documentation. The most important documents are a valid passport, educational certificates, work experience letters, a genuine job offer, employment contract, and an approved employment permit. Preparing these documents in advance can significantly increase your chances of a smooth and successful application process.